let's come back to, after aldehydes chapter, let us come back to amines chapter. So in amines chapter, here they've asked us to distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary amines. So first let me see the solubility test. So when I suppose if I take your solubility, if I'm testing with water, if I'm testing with dilute HCl, basically we do this, isn't it? First we test with water, then we test with dilute HCl. So now with water, all the three compounds are insoluble. This is insoluble, this is also insoluble. So when I take a small amount of the sample and add dilute HCl to that, here all the three will be soluble in nature. So this is also soluble, this is also soluble, this is also soluble. With this I can differentiate. Now further, there's no clarity. I'm further going to the next type of distinguishing test, that is carboxylamine test. So I've already done this video under video number 6 in amines playlist. Please check that. And next one, Hinsberg test, I've done again in amines playlist, where I've done under video number 5. Basically I have shown that reaction there. Please watch that video. Now when I have to speak about primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine, carboxylamine reaction. Yes, so carboxylamine reactions are shown by, we already said, it's going to form methyl isocyanate offensive smell. It is a basic test for primary amines only. Secondary and tertiary will not show the test, so no reaction and no reaction. So you can watch for this reaction in this video, but here what should you write? I'm writing the test only, but in exam you need to write the reaction as well as the test. So what do you say? Offensive or pungent smelling isocyanide is formed. Isocyanide is formed. This is what you have to write. Write the reaction, please. Reaction, we'll get it in this video. So when I have to come back to Hinsberg reagent test. Okay. So for this test, I've already done this in video number 5 in amines playlist, I said. So here, after writing the complete reaction, here you're going to write a clear solution is obtained. Here an insoluble compound is formed. So write down observation as a clear solution is obtained after writing the reaction. And here, and see, write the reaction again, which I already did under video number 5. And here, and insoluble compound is obtained. So tertiary, there is no reaction, only with Hinsberg reagent. Right, now let us finish off the distinguishing test between primary, secondary and tertiary amine with these two tests. Now coupling reaction. So this is one more very important coupling reaction which you have seen, like already I explained this in video number 10. Watch that in amines playlist. So primary amines respond to coupling reaction, secondary amines do not, tertiary amines also do not. Done. So what do you get when after you write the reaction? You are going to conclude the answer. A bright red colored dye is obtained. That is what is, you have to see, a bright red colored dye is obtained. So if you don't want to put cross like that, you can write no dye formation. You can write this also, no dye formation. Here also the same, no dye formation. Here when I have to take bromine test, or it is also called as bromine water test. So primary amines characteristic, if I have to say the primary aromatic amines, if I have to speak, so they're going to show the characteristic test of bromine water test. Secondary amine and tertiary amines will not show. Done. So what is formed here? So suppose if I have to take a primary aromatic amine here, let me show you for reaction for a primary aromatic amine. Now this is your aniline, this is primary aromatic amine in the presence of bromine water. I'm showing it here. Done. So we very well know it's going to form 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. Done. So this is, if I have to speak, the color of this is white PPT. Done. Here no reaction, here also no reaction.